Hello friends, in this video we are going to move this apply discount code to the summary page. Okay, so let's begin the tutorial. So first of all, what we have to do, take in any of the module that we have currently. I have basically order mass section, I'm going to use it. So in this you need to go for the view, then create a folder front end, then layout, then checkout cart index.xml. Okay, so in this we have to write a code. First of all, you need to remove checkout cart coupon. Then you have to call a block, Magento cart block with the name cart coupon 2 as coupon, right? Then you have to move this element checkout cart coupon 2, okay, with the name this one destination cart dot summary before checkout shipping. So it will add this block before the shipping one, where we have adding the shipping all this. So let's flush the cache and check. Let's and give the permissions. Okay, done. Reload this. So it is moved, and you can see that apply discount code is here. Now you need to apply the discount right here, and you can do the rest of the things. Okay, so this is how we can move the apply discount button to the summary cart, or you can move to anywhere and you can design it accordingly. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like, share and comment. Have a great day.